Okay, so Tesla is up to something huge. We're talking about a behind-the-scenes strategy that could literally reshape the entire AI industry by the year 2026. And bits and pieces of this plan are out there in the open, but how it all fits together, that's the part nobody's really talking about. So in this explainer, we're going to connect the dots. We'll show you exactly what Tesla is building and why it might just give them a lead that no one can catch for years to come. Let's get into it. So first things first, we've got to throw out a basic idea that most of us have about what Tesla actually is. Yeah, you heard that right. Forget what you think you know. Tesla isn't really a car company anymore. I mean, not at its core. Its real power, the engine that's actually driving its future, it's all about AI. Just think about it this way. Every single car that rolls off their line is basically a supercomputer on wheels. It's out there, on the road, 24/7, constantly scooping up millions of hours of real-world driving data. And that makes artificial intelligence the true beating heart of their entire business.
And that brings us to the first and maybe most important part of this whole secret plan, the data. And this is absolutely crucial to understand. See, to build a truly powerful AI, you have to feed it. And what does it eat? Data. The more high-quality, real-world data you can pour into it, the smarter your AI gets. In this new game, data isn't just a resource, it's the most valuable resource on the planet.
Now, this is where the gap between Tesla and everyone else just becomes massive. While the competition is stuck training their AI in neat, tidy simulations and with limited controlled data, Tesla's AI is learning every single second from millions of real cars. It's learning in traffic jams, in rainstorms, in all the messy, unpredictable chaos of real life, all over the globe. Honestly, it's an advantage that's almost unfair. But, collecting all that data is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need a way to actually process it, to turn all that raw video into real intelligence. And that brings us to the technological heart of this entire operation, a custom-built supercomputer they call Dojo. So what exactly is Dojo? Well, it's a supercomputer built by Tesla for Tesla's very specific needs. It has one job and one job only, to process these absolutely gigantic, messy volumes of video data that are pouring in from their fleet. It's a problem that regular off-the-shelf hardware just can't solve, and it's designed to train their self-driving AI way, way faster than anyone else. I mean, try to wrap your head around the scale of this. Dojo isn't just another server rack. It's a beast of a machine, engineered to basically digest years and years of human driving experience in just a matter of days. If this thing works the way they say it will, this one piece of hardware could give Tesla the most advanced real-world navigation AI on the entire planet. Which, of course, leads to a really interesting question. When you have this incredible power to understand and navigate the real world, is all that technology really just for cars?
And the answer, as you might have guessed, is a huge no. This secret plan goes way beyond the highway.
And this is where the whole strategy just gets so much more ambitious. Meet Optimus. It's a humanoid robot designed to do all sorts of human tasks.
Now, this might look like some kind of sci-fi side project, but it's the exact opposite. It's a masterclass in recycling genius. You see, Optimus is being trained by the very same AI that's learning to drive the cars. Tesla is just taking everything that AI has learned about navigating the real world and putting it into a different body. This lets them basically leapfrog years of robotics research that their competitors are still slogging through. Okay, so we've got the data, we've got the supercomputer to process it, and we have applications way beyond just cars. Now let's connect all these pieces to the ultimate endgame, the business model. Right about now is when all these separate parts, the cars, the data, Dojo, Optimus, they all start to click together. The puzzle pieces are forming a much, much bigger picture. So here's the thing. Tesla doesn't just want to sell you a self-driving car. The real goal is to create a massive global network of robotaxis. Just imagine it, a fleet of vehicles that drive themselves, earning money for the network around the clock, 24/7. And this isn't a static fleet. It's a fleet that's constantly getting smarter, updated by Dojo with lessons learned from every car in the real world. Now, if Tesla actually pulls this off, they won't just be leading the car market. They could end up controlling the future of how we move around cities and a huge slice of the AI economy. And that's all because of the final, most powerful piece of this plan, this unbeatable, self-reinforcing system they're building. And this is the masterstroke.
It's a perfect closed-loop ecosystem. The cars collect the data. Dojo processes it. The AI gets smarter. The entire fleet gets an update almost overnight. That intelligence then powers the robotaxi network, and the Optimus robot applies that very same intelligence to a totally new market. Each part of the system makes every other part stronger.
This closed loop is the whole game. It's a flywheel that just spins faster and faster with every car they sell and every mile their fleet drives. And it's something their competitors, who have to buy their software from one place and their hardware from another, simply cannot copy. This is what creates an advantage that might soon be totally impossible to overcome.
Which brings us right back to 2026. This really could be the year the board gets flipped. With Dojo, Optimus, and the Robotaxi network all coming together, Tesla is pretty much screaming that their real product was never the car. It was the AI that powers everything. Their goal is nothing less than dominating how artificial intelligence operates in the real world. The only question left is, can they pull it off? Well, it looks like we're all about to find out.